Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make blink effect in Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, duplicate your video and then select that and click the overlay. Now drag it same as your first video. Now click your overlay and change its opacity. Now after that, add a overlay of white picture. And then adjust it to your video. Now select the spice and choose the overlay. Now after that, add a strobe effect right here and then make sure that its settings is in fully speed. Now drag that up till the end of your video and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.